Wrapping it around the ponytail. And I'm gonna check in the back to make sure that it's... Oh my God. I will call, you would say. So basically, you guys know, if you guys are my previous subscribers or whatever you've been following my channel, I wear a lot of weave. I wear a lot of weave, a lot of wigs, I wear braids, I wear everything. So this video, I wanted it to be super different because I do, in my opinion, have nice hair. So I just wanted to show you guys just a couple of styles you can get for the summertime. It's getting hot, and I know that I personally struggle with doing my hair, my natural hair anyways, because it's too much, it's too thick, it's a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with something simple, and then we'll just work our way up to the rest of the styles. So you're gonna need a spray bottle with some water. This is just like a regular $3 spray bottle from Walmart, a wide tooth comb, a boar bristle brush. You're gonna need a hard brush, a rat tail comb, some clips, some hair ties, some detangling something, detangling product, I guess. Also, you're gonna need some edge control. You need an edge brush. Mine is nasty, so and you're also gonna need a detangling brush. Now this one I got from Careco from Walmart. This is a child's detangling brush. This was $5 at Walmart, and I love it for my hair and for curly weaves or whatever. So if you have curly hair, curly weave, I think that's like a go-to. So the first style is gonna be all down because that's like the, go-to style. So you're gonna take your water bottle and you're gonna spray the hell out of your hair. You don't want it to be drenching with water, but you do want it to be kind of damp. Okay, so now I have like a natural middle part, right? So I'm going to clip this side of my hair, and I'm gonna take the knot on my watch detangling stuff, and I'm just gonna start in the middle because that's where everything is, and I'm gonna just part and just work that all throughout my hair. Now I'm not going to go through and put that brush to my hair because I'm gonna comb all the little curls out. We're gonna use that in just a second, but just not right now, okay? So we want our curls to be as defined as humanly possible. So I'm just gonna work that all throughout my hair. Now people who can do like the twist outs and the braid outs, you guys are awesome, because my hair does not, it don't do that. It don't work well with that stuff. So yeah, no, my hair does not like twist outs. It does not like braid outs. You're looking like boo boo the fool after everything is said and done. All right, so now this is with our hair, let's say mildly wet. So that's how it looks down. I'm gonna add a little bit of tea tree to the palm of my hand. Let me show you guys like what I'm using. This is from I think Walmart or something. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of that to just coat my ends. Half of our hair looks. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. So same thing, you're gonna wet your hair and then apply the detangling stuff. All set. All set. All set. All set. Okay, so now that we have most of it done, I'm gonna go ahead. So I used to like to wear my hair flip to the side like this, right? And like I would just rock it like this. So you could do that and just lay your edges down, or, oh, you know what? This is kind of cute. We're gonna wear it like this. I'm gonna take my edge control and my edge brush. There's literally hair everywhere. Edge control. And I'm going to, see my hair's already kind of laid down here. So I'm just gonna like follow that. Rich plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the oozing. Case on records, get back, case on back, so my money making my back. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. Fat cookie blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches just national smash check. Hop
Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking up.
And then ideally, what I would do is try to define these curls a little bit more. So I will take my Elasta QP Feels Like Silk. This is like a liquid gel. So imagine like Eco in a bottle, like in a squeezy bottle. Let me back up so y'all can like see like what's going on. So y'all see how this is a little frizzy? I would just take a little of the Elasta and then lay that down. So I'm gonna just do it anyways because why not? So I just took a little bit on my palm and I'm just going to rub this part of my hair. Our next style is gonna be our top knot messy bun. So that's where the brushes come into play. I'm gonna take the wide tooth comb and I'm gonna untease. Really, I'm gonna comb that part we just teased because we don't want it to get like matted. And really what I'm doing is I'm kind of pulling all the curls to the bottom because we want all the volume in our ponytail and we want the top to lay as flat as possible. I have my hair in a bun already today, so I don't have to do all of this really because my hair should already be flat because I just had it up earlier. I'm gonna take my hard brush and I'm just gonna brush everything up and over. I told you to get out. Didn't know that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go. Okay, so now that all of our hair is pulled up, I'm gonna take my hair tie, and this one is a little bit like worn or whatever. It's not like all stretched out. This is how it looks. But this is when I had my hair in my hair earlier. So I'm gonna take it from underneath, put it as high as it can go on my head, pull it through, and I'm only gonna pull this through one time. Well, two, I guess, technically. And I'm gonna stop the hair right here. So you see how big that bun is? So cute! So I'm just gonna keep twisting it around and playing with it until it looks right. What I like to do is take, like I said before with my last hairstyle, I'm gonna take this little piece right here and I'm gonna take this little piece right here. And I like to just have these little curls. I don't know like what's wrong with me. Like I just love like these little curls right here. And they're just so cute. And then of course you want to go and like adjust your baby hair. I really like this one because it was just quick. It's hot outside. It's in the middle of the summer. Like no one really has time to be messing around with their hair and stuff. So buns are like my go-to. So for the third style, this is probably gonna be like my favorite one ever. So we are going to do a low bun. So I'm so in love with doing ponytails like this. And I think I'm gonna do, should do a middle part or a side part? Okay, let's do a middle part. So you're gonna just part your hair down the middle. I don't know why this little metal part really just does the trick. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that part too much. So parted it, and I'm gonna do the same thing like I did before. I'm gonna pull all of my hair, especially the hair in the middle because oh my god, it's so thick. I'm gonna pull all the hair down to the bottom so that the hair lays flat. Our ponytail is not bulging out. It's not sticking out nowhere. So now I'm gonna take the same water bottle that we had earlier, just spray your hair down. Okay, take some of that Feels Like Silk. We're gonna put about a dime-sized amount, and actually use a dime-sized amount, y'all. I'm not kidding. Like, I don't know about you guys, but my hair is a little thick, so we're gonna need two. I'm gonna open my Eco and have it on standby. I'm gonna use my brush to brush all of my hair down to the left on the left side and down to the right on the right side. And see the sky take shape, but I wanna see the stars burn after I had my time. All right, so now I'm gonna take my two hair ties. And if you guys have been following my channel, you guys know how we do this ponytail. We're just gonna wrap it around as tight as it goes. there's any bumps or lumps, and there shouldn't be. I'll show y'all this part. Can y'all see? Okay, cool. So now I'm going to, like, how do I want to do this? I'm just gonna take, this is some weave. I'm not really sure where this hair came from. I don't remember, but if I do happen to remember, I'll put the link below. But this is just maybe some 14-inch weave that I got a long time ago. And so I'm gonna just wrap this around my natural ponytail. Since we're gonna make a bun, we really don't have to worry about the hair. Let me not say we don't have to worry about the hair blending, because this hair, when combed out, looks like this. So you want to make sure your weave matches your hair in some capacity, but it doesn't need to be exact. To do is I like to part it and make sure that all of the pieces are moisturized. And then if you need to, take a little bit of the Feels Like Silk, rub it on your hair and the extensions, just so everything blends correctly. And then I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna have a pin ready, and all I'm gonna do is just wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it around itself. I use the extensions because it makes it look a little more natural, but I'm just putting it in like a circle bun, and or like a donut, I guess you can call it. And then I'm gonna pin it down in the back and tuck the extra pieces so your bun will look like this. So this is also like a go-to style for the summer, because it is hot and we don't have time for the sun and its foolishness. If you want to, you can go in with your edge control and play with your baby hairs again. I'm gonna just do a little bit for mine because I'm not like trying to do all that. So that'll be your little bun situation. Last look that I'm gonna do is called the wet look. I actually hate doing my hair like this, but it is like a go-to summer style, if you will. All you're gonna need is some bobby pins, colored or black. You're gonna need some edge control if that's your thing. You're gonna need some Eco Styler gel, and you're gonna need this Feels Like Silk gel to keep it all down. And you're gonna need a brush and a lot of water. So I'm just gonna make sure my hair is nice and coated with some water on the bottom so that it lays down. Then you want to take your Feels Like Silk liquid gel, and you're going to smooth that all throughout your hair. So pretty much like make a ponytail like I'm about to do, and just use that to like smooth the product throughout your whole head. And make sure you get your ends. Now if you have like really thick hair, this might not work, because your hair might not lay down, but my hair is pretty much only really thick towards the end, so I might have a problem with that, but other than that I should be okay. Now I'm gonna take some to the top and just brush it backwards with my fingers first, and then with my brush. I'm gonna use my hard brush first. And I feel like the best way to do this is right after you wash your hair. So now the bobby pins come in. So we're going to pretty much pin up this part on both sides. I'm gonna just use the black ones. So you can either wear it like this, or like I said earlier, you can wear it with your hair all the way pushed back like this. If I were to ever wear my hair like this, I would definitely need to like fleek my baby hairs, because I have a really big forehead and we cannot be playing around with that, you know? And honestly, this style looks really good if you have some extensions. So if you have clip-ins, I would just put a couple in the middle, because that'll like really set this style off. Guys, thank you so much for watching Thursday's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any other go-to hairstyles that I may have missed or just didn't even think about, just let me know how you guys style your hair to take over the city girl summer or hot girl summer. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on for next Tuesday's video, and we will catch you next time. Bye.